Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make pork lettuce wraps. They're quick and easy to do and they are super delicious. For this recipe, you will need these ingredients. Add together the minced pork, soy sauce, salt, pepper, rice wine, and the cornstarch. Mix it very well. Heat up the oil on a medium-high heat. Then add the ginger and the spring onions. Stir for about 30 seconds, then add the minced meat. Keep stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure the meat is well separated. You can now add the mushrooms. Give it a quick mix. Followed by the cabbage and keep stirring well. Now add the chili and the pickled cornichons. Keep stirring, then add the oyster sauce. Give it a quick stir until it is nearly dry. Then add the sesame oil and stir for a further 30 seconds. It is now ready to be served. Serve this delicious mixture with some lettuce leaves of your choice. Have a nice meal and happy cooking!